Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this soldering gun's head to this head. And this was a RV pipe, tiny RV faucet pipe. So I just cut it off, use the angle grinder over there. This and the metal cutting blades to cut it off. And then now I'm just gonna try to stick this in here, but as you can see, it's not tight, you know, so something has to be done. And first thing I do is I unscrew this head. Second thing is I found this screw and I just screw it on, and now I try to stick this in there, but I can't, you know, so probably I can screw this in and do this, but it's still not that good. So maybe this. And somehow just clamp this down, you know, but I won't be able to do the regular soldering using this tip. So gotta find a better screw that can be screwed in there. Actually, yeah, gotta do something with this screw, you know. So this is what I'll do. I use the angle grinder to cut this head off, and then I'm going to I'm gonna clamp this down so that these two cannot be separated, and then I'm gonna screw it into here. Okay, so that's how it's gonna be done. Okay, so let me cut this head off. Okay, got to be very careful when you operate this grinder, because if you're not careful, you can cut your hand very easily. So now this is almost broken, so I'm just gonna break it off like so, and it's very hot. I think I need another one. All right, let me cut it off. Okay. You can see that part is off. Be very careful about this grinder. Now, so that's off. So I'm just gonna file this. Okay, so now this is good, because now I can just okay, so now I can just put this screw in here like so, and then this just put it in, and then I'm gonna use a hammer to hammer it. So here's the hammer. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to hammer this in. That's still not sticking, so I'm probably going to have to put something in there, you know, to stop it from sliding. Maybe just jam another little nail or something. Okay, so I jammed a small nail like this, jam it into there, so now this is good. It's not going to come out. Now I can screw this in. And it's going to be tight. Okay. There. It's not going to come out. As you can see, it's going to work like that. Okay, so there you have it. And when I'm done with this, I can just easily twist this off. There you go. And then switch back to this. Okay.